Hi, Chef Joe with Healthy Kids Inc. and today we're going to be making our salsa chicken dinner. So we've got a nice hot pan here. Our chicken breasts are ready to go. We're going to put them right into the pan. A little bit of seasoning. Flip those over. All right, now that we've got color on both sides, I'm going to add in carrots. We have some chopped tomato as well. We're going to let this saute for a couple of minutes. Got a clove of garlic that we've minced. We're going to go ahead and put it in. All right. Adding some of our pre-prepared salsa here. It's got some more tomatoes and onions, garlic, fresh herbs. Okay, we have chicken stock. I'm going to bring this up. Let this start to cook down together a little bit until our chicken is cooked all the way through. All right, at this point I'm going to cover this and let this salsa and all of the liquid kind of cook down a little bit. And then at the very last minute we're going to add some Parmesan cheese over the top. But for now we're going to let this start to kind of cook down for just a few minutes and until our chicken is nice and cooked. So we'll come back and check this out in just a few minutes. All right, at this point our chicken is cooked. We've got our Parmesan cheese here that I'm going to sprinkle over the top. I'm going to save a little bit for the plate. All right, at this point you can kill the heat and then we'll plate this up and we'll show you the finished product in just a couple of minutes.